Situated on 26 beautifully landscaped acres, Hyatt Regency Newport Beach is a resort-style hotel families will love. It features 3 pools, renowned restaurant SHOR, a golf course, and is the site for the acclaimed Newport Beach Jazz Festival and Summer Concert Series. The road leading to the entrance is lined with palm trees, and we opted for the valet parking, which costs $43 per day. Visitors will enjoy the new guest rooms and facilities after a recently completed $15 million renovation. The newly remodeled lobby and lounge area was a welcome sight as we made our way inside. Let's head to our room located at the Balboa building.
Here's a quick tour of our room 838 at the Hyatt Regency Newport Beach. And we have a standard double bed. Here's a closet. Just your normal closet with a safe on the top. Bathroom is to your right. Nothing special here, but yeah, it does have a bathtub, a single sink, and there's the toilet. Here's a little mirror with a coffee and tea. And there is a fridge here. Here's an office desk with a lamp. And here are the 2 double beds. TV with some more storage underneath. And here's a little sitting area. And this is actually a pull-out bed. So if you have another person, you can pull this out and they can sleep there. And let's check out our view here. I can open this. There we go. Just a view of the tennis court and the parking lot. So that's a quick tour of the standard double bed room here at the Hyatt Regency Newport Beach.
SHOR is a hotel signature restaurant serving Southern California-inspired cuisine using locally sourced ingredients. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served, and we highly recommend this place. Breakfast is served from 7 to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 to 11:30 a.m. on weekends. This morning, we ordered steak and eggs, lox and bagel, and our favorite item here, the crab cake Benedict. You really can't go wrong with any of the 3. Lunch is served daily from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. For lunch, we ordered the Cali cheesesteak and offshore burger, which were both good. Happy hour is from 3 to 5 p.m. on Sunday through Thursday, and we ordered chips and salsa along with truffle and Parmesan fries. Dinner is served daily from 5 to 10 p.m. Don't miss the steak bites for dinner, which is our favorite item. We also had truffle and Parmesan fries along with grilled octopus, which was cooked perfectly. The lounge by the lobby serves espresso drinks, pastries, sandwiches, and fruit smoothies for breakfast. Lunch and dinner is also served along with your favorite drinks at the full-service bar, while snacks, drinks, and other convenience items can be purchased at the lobby market. The hotel has 3 pools which cater to different crowds. Adults can relax and unwind at the Quiet Indulge and Serenity pools, while the Oasis pool offers fun amenities for both kids and adults. Enjoy a refreshing drink along with lunch served poolside from the Oasis Pool Bar or lounge in a private cabana for more comfort. And kids will definitely have fun going down this water slide. Families will enjoy the various games and recreation areas around the hotel, like this giant chess set, shuffleboard court, a volleyball court, complimentary bikes available for use, and the Back Bay Golf Course. It's a 9-hole executive golf course which offers complimentary green fees for up to 4 registered guests per room. Fire pits are spread around the resort, and they are good spots to stay warm in the evening. S'mores kits are available for purchase, and we enjoyed making them at one of the fire pits close to our room. The hotel has a rich history as a live music venue for the acclaimed Newport Beach Jazz Festival and Summer Concert Series, which takes place at this outdoor amphitheater where we saw this spectacular sunset. There's a decent-sized fitness center with plenty of cardio machines in a separate free weight area. We walked by some of the hotel villas as we headed to the beach located just outside the resort. This beach by the Newport Dunes Marina is a great place to stay cool during the summer months. Enjoy swimming in the calm water or rent canoes and kayaks if you want to be more active. Our family had a wonderful stay at the Hyatt Regency Newport Beach. The remodeled rooms and facilities are a welcome sight as the hotel was showing its age on our previous stay. It's a great hotel for families with all the activities the resort has to offer, which is highlighted by the family pool area. This is our go-to hotel whenever we go to Newport Beach, and we will continue staying here whenever we are craving a local getaway. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.